Hi, good day, guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's consumer electronics within South Africa. In this episode, we're going to be looking at the LG 24 kg top loader. Let's dive straight into it. First up, the huge 24 kg capacity drum. It lets you wash more in one go, easily handling heavy everyday loads and large items without splitting them into multiple loads. This being very convenient. This top loader comes through with our AI DD technology, which will intelligently sense the weight and fabric type, then adjust the wash motion automatically. That means you're getting a powerful clean while still being gentle on your clothes. When time is tight, TurboWash3D steps in. It delivers a fast, thorough wash using multi-directional water flow so your laundry gets cleaned quicker without compromising results. Add in steam washing and you can reduce allergens and bacteria, ideal for families as well as sensitive skin. It's also got a stainless steel tub and as well as a soft closed glass lid, adding durability and as well as premium look finish. So there you have it, folks, a 24 kg top loader with all the bells and whistles, a large capacity drum to wash your heavy loads, but optimizing that wash using a smart sensor to detect your weight and fabric type, but also removing all the allergens as well as bacteria using the steam built into the top loader. Guys, thank you so much for watching this entire video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.